Today I'm going to be showing you how to let down the mainspring on your pocket watch or releasing the pressure off the mainspring. The reason you would do this is if you were going to do maintenance on your pocket watch, or you bought a pocket watch and the person you bought it from told you that the pocket watch is overwound. There's really no such thing as an overwound pocket watch. What's really going on is there's a problem with the pocket watch. There's either it's dirty, needs cleaning, and it won't run, and that's not releasing the mainspring, as it's seems like it's been overwound. So what we're going to do is go through the steps that I use to release the mainspring safely without damaging the watch any further. Now, this is a size 16 pocket watch, and the nice thing about this pocket watch is, or any size 16, is you don't have to remove the pocket watch movement from the case when you're ready to let down your mainspring. First thing we need to do is to remove the back cover from our pocket watch. You do this by turning the back cover, unscrewing it counterclockwise. Now that we have our movement open, we can begin to let down our mainspring on our pocket watch. Now, there's several tools that you can use to let down your mainspring. You could use a screwdriver, a very small screwdriver, but I prefer to use a piece of wood, and it's called a piece of peg wood. And I use this because I don't want to damage or scratch the finish on my pocket watch. So that's what I use. It's the pointy end of a piece of peg wood, and it's a lot safer to do it this way. Now, what you're going to do is take the piece of peg wood that you have, and you're going to move this part called the click. And what this is, the click keeps the gears from turning in the opposite direction as you wind the watch. It's sort of like a lock. Now, in order to do this, what you do is you take the crown of your watch and act like you're going to wind it, and just put a little tension on it. That way you'll be able to move the click. And once the click is moved out of the way of the gear, you keep hold of the crown, don't let go of it, and you let it unwind itself, but you're using a controlled unwind. You don't want to let it go because it'll unwind really fast and could damage your pocket watch. So once it gets wound down all the way, you'll know it, and you can even let it down a little bit more by yourself with that controlled let down. And so there you go. And what you're doing now is you just sit back, let your watch mainspring let all the tension off of itself if your watch is running. If your watch isn't running, you just let it unwind as far as it'll go. And there we have it. Our mainspring is completely let down. Our watch has stopped running, and now we're ready to do whatever maintenance we need to do on the pocket watch, take it out of the case safely, and not have any problems. So let's go through it one more time. I'm going to wind this watch up a little bit, and then as I wind it, this watch is dirty. This is why I'm going to I've been letting down the mainspring, because I'm going to take it out and take it apart and clean it. So normally, if it's a good clean pocket watch, you wind it up and it'll automatically start right up first thing, but I have to help it along a little bit with that piece of peg wood, get her started now. So what we're going to do is you can see the click there, a good close-up view of it, and I'm going to move that click out of the way. I'm going to wind it a little bit, take that piece of peg wood, move that gear, disengage it, hold the crown with my finger and let that mainspring down, and the watch is going to stop on its own. So I hope this video helps you out, and you're when you need to do any maintenance on your watch, or if you buy a watch from someone and they say it's overwound, you'll know how to let the mainspring down and try to figure out what's wrong with your watch. And there you go. I hope this helped you out, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.